Hello everyone, welcome to Najla's Kitchen. Today we are learning how to make Swiss meringue buttercream. This Swiss meringue buttercream is silky, stable, and made from cooked egg whites, sugar, butter, and flavorings like vanilla and salt. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's begin. Our Swiss meringue buttercream ingredients are 8 egg whites, about 1 cup, 1 cup granulated sugar, 6 sticks unsalted butter, 3 cups at room temperature, 1 cup powdered sugar, sifted, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar. Over a double boiler, heat the whites and granulated sugar and salt. Keep whisking until all the sugar is dissolved. Heat this slowly because you don't want scrambled eggs. Sugar and salt. Keep whisking over low-medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Now I'm going to test the mixture to see if the sugar dissolved or not. Yes, I don't feel any sugar, it's really soft. Turn off the heat. Place the mixture in a stand mixer and whip on high until peak forms and the mixture is cool about 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes mixing, now our meringue ready to add the softened butter a little at a time and mix for medium speed. The bowl sides and bottom. Continue to add the rest of the butter. Spray the ball. take out any air. Now we are going to add the powdered sugar and vanilla and whisk. After 4 minutes mixing, now our buttercream is ready. Our Swiss meringue buttercream, very soft and it tastes delicious. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question about the video or suggestion for future videos, please leave me a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and like.